Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'll be showing you that how can you transfer data or chats from your old iPhone to the new iPhone. From iPhone to iPhone, how can you transfer the data of WhatsApp? How can you transfer the chats from WhatsApp? I will show in this video. So let's suppose this is my old iPhone and I'm going to send all my data to my new iPhone there. So what can I do in this phone? Firstly, we just have to go on our WhatsApp here. Just click on this and I will select a chat which I want to transfer in my new phone. So like this is a chat which I want to transfer like Narendra Chandel. So what can I do? Swipe to the left on this chat. There will be an option called more. Click on more and the third option is export chat. When you click it, a chat will be export and you can send it to your new iPhone via saving file in your cloud and then save it into and then send it into WhatsApp or any media transfer format.